In the last couple of weeks, I've shifted my priorities a little bit regarding my drum project to learn Bleed by Meshuggah. And what I've done is that I've spent quite a lot of time on the computer and transcribing a MIDI file with the exact things that Thomas, the drummer, plays. And this is good for the mind. But I have noticed that my absence from the drum kit here, it's ruthless. It's like I've reversed. It's like I've lost 2-3 weeks at least. More, perhaps. I really suck at drumming right now because I've been away from the kit for a while. But anyway, I'm not worried about that, but I think it's gonna come back as soon as I get back to practice, because you have to do those things too. You have to transcribe the stuff you want to play, so you have it in here. See ya.